Holla at your boy, holla at your Rob Roy. Holla at your boy, holla at your Rob Roy. Back at it again, just to be back at it again. I told y'all I'm gonna get y'all some of the freshest content I can find on the internet. You know, I'm bogged down with you know, we're doing customs right here. This is, let me get you a close up with that. Alright, check it out. Holla at your boy. Well, with further ado, let's get right into this video. And always, shout out to mikeandnikes.com. Alright, now let's get into it. Let's get into it! This guy's name is Marco. He's
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to me putting Louis Vuitton on another type of shoe, or sandal for that matter. These are actually my Birkenstocks. I've been wearing them quite a bit, and they're pretty comfy. I've seen these around, like Louis Vuitton on sandals and Birkenstocks, but not on YouTube. So that was kind of my awakening. So the first step for this is to use...
Acetone breaks down the finish that comes from the factory. So that's what he's doing. You know, so he takes it off so that the paint will stick.
So the next step is to get this one to look like this, just by adding a few coats of this.
Everybody's using it.
So let's do that.
Shout out, you never gave me a sponsor yet. Go check out mikeandnikes.com if you need some custom work done.
Alright, I got these fully painted. Now I could just wear them like this, but I don't think it can be the most entertaining video to watch me turn my dark Birkenstocks into less dark Birkenstocks. Which brings us to the next part, which is putting the stencils all over these shoes. Shirt. And also, quick PSA, if you guys were wondering,
you might get into that.
what I'm wearing, like this shirt, I didn't make this shirt. This is like the wiener part of pants. I sewed like a zipper, you know. But I can make a whole video about this, or pants, really open and customize anything.
He takes the stencil and he places it on the shoe.
These.
That's a very tedious. You know, it's probably taking hours to make. So that's why I'm sending it to y'all. I don't have hours. I got shoes to pump out for y'all. So, but I'm finding this for you. If you want me to do it, let me know. Holla at your boy. Comment down below too.
Alright, so what I'm going to do is actually use this red tape to kind of tape off anywhere, like the whole bottom of the shoe pretty much, everything but the straps. I'm going to tape that all off and then go outside and spray it down with brown. So let's do that, because that's the next step. So that's what I'm going to do.
See, this tell he doesn't get any paint on the bottoms of the soles, you know. It's a top fed airbrush. I think airbrush is the best technique to get the shoes how you want it when you're doing the stencils. Well, at least that's what I didn't figure it out. Yeah, he puts a nice even coat. You can't even see the stencil anymore. Then he takes an X-Acto knife or a pick. You know, some people use an X-Acto knife, but he has a little pick. He picked those up at Hobby Lobby. That look completely Louis Vuitton. Shout out to Marco on this channel. Thumbs up on my channel. Told you Angelus Paint. Dollar, okay. I thought it was silver, but nah.
Watch me make this and put this together. So if you did enjoy it, smash the like button, subscribe. My Instagram right there on the screen, you know.
Yeah, he's doing this
Go
thing.
check me out. And yeah, I'll show you some final shots of these sandals.
Subscribe to my channel.
On feet with socks on. I'm gonna wear socks because for those of you who want to see my toes.
Bringing you number the latest content while still providing you a service at the same time. You know, I do a video here and there, you know, some other videos on my channel, but it's just so time consuming. Those are nice though. You can do those here, so. Alright, holla at your boy, holla at your Rob Roy. Thanks for checking in. And like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. And till next time, salute. We out.